what this week's lesson is all about.
Thanks, Lexi. This week, Brent English students, we get learning about our hobbies.
But what hobbies, Brent?
Good question, Lexi. Hobbies are a fantastic way to relax your mind. And here at Brent English, with our FastPass method, we want you to relax and enjoy your learning experience. So, on our platform, you have new vocabulary, expressions, our podcast, and so many things to help you improve your level of English.
That's right, Brent. So come on! What are you waiting for? Visit brentschool.com. We have lessons that are level A for beginners, level B for intermediate, and level C for advanced. And it's all free. You can also find our podcast and so much more. So enjoy the lesson this week and see you in class.